You're coming home with me.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash, is a rush, feel the rush. Masterpieces take a lifetime, and patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. Who you were a year ago, oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered, kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, Bernini, grow like branches that on Daphne turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la.
Guys, I think I broke my iPad. This is turned on, but it just has this gray screen that won't go away. At one point it did boot up, but then it would just have like weird lines all across the screen. Yesterday I didn't realize that water spilled in my bag, so I was just using my iPad because it worked, so I was just using it all night, and then this morning when I try to turn it on, it just doesn't turn on. So what do I do?
Put on a perfect face. There's no scars on the surface, but behind clever curtains you'll find that everything was staged. Thought the applause was worth the whole charade. You bought a dream.
I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna get changed now. This is option number 1. Oh, it's a little tight. And there's gonna be yummy food, so I don't know if I want to wear this though. But I think it looks nice. Let me check out something else. Second option, same top with different pants. It's like a cargo pant. It's a lot more comfortable. So I think I'm gonna go with this. It's been a while since I smelled perfume. It's a little strong. Wait, what's his name? Back to him? How old is he? Oh wow. Good boy. 바람이 핥고 있어. Today I have radiography class. Next week is my radiography midterm. It's basically just like taking a full mouth series in, I believe, 45 minutes. It's actually not that much time, so this week we get to practice. What's wrong with my hair? Next week is gonna be a busy week because it's right before midterm. And Friday we have another instrument evaluation. I feel like I have an evaluation literally every single week now. Also, I got a new chair. It's not like new, it's used. Actually, my friend gave it to me because she's getting a new chair. And I'm really happy because it got wheels on and can like spin. Most importantly, it doesn't have like the scratches it had in my previous chair. So that's really nice. I just left my other chair here. This is the one I used to use. It has like all of these bite marks and scratch marks from my dog, but I just left it here so that I can just put like my Dexter head on here.
Maybe I could be your stylist. Maybe I could be something more. Baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Maybe you could be my solace. Only my 두가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime. 얼어붙을까봐 그냥 서있어 계속 붙어있어